And the race is on. Precious Metal from the outside is Balo Baran Sprite Friendly Venture. Balo Baran Sprite in the middle alongside Precious Metal Friendly Venture is running down on the inside, moving up. It's good move. Love Kuto, Rossi Eye Smart, Alec Dan comes Saint Mart alongside is Blitzkrieg, Manila Magic, Devil in Disguise Reporter, and Executive Order is running in 13th. Good move is running by the Balo Baran Sprite in the middle alongside Precious Metal, Rossi Eye, Grey Galloper racing import by the Real Friendly Venture, Manila Magic moving up by the Real, Precious Metal, Balo Baran Sprite, Rossi Eyes, Manila Magic, good move is running in fifth. And racing on the outside, Blitzkrieg as they race the final corner. Precious Metal from the outside, Balo Baran Sprite down on the inside. Rossi Eyes rushing up, good move, Manila Magic. Saint Mark rushing up on the outside. Precious Metal, Balo Baran Sprite firing it up for the lead. Saint Mark is on the outside. Precious Metal, Balo Baran Sprite, and finally close to A. Precious Metal, Balo Baran Sprite, Saint Mark, Rossi Eyes, Blitzkrieg. Good move. Nice move for your Super Sais.